your Ecolo Connect. So you have a touch screen on this. The radio does in fact work, so that is excellent. Although I was only able to get one station, but the Bluetooth works well. It is called Car XT. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna hit your little Bluetooth symbol right here, and then it's gonna search for it, but I've already got it on here. So I'm gonna go to my music. I'll listen to Nelly Furtado. And so I'm gonna control it on my phone. But you can also control it right here. You turn this down. Not ideal for when you're driving, but you want to hit the plus button right here. Can you see that close? It's not the most, there we go. See, it's not the most calibrated touchscreen. I'm going to tell you that. And there's no Android or or Apple Connect. And then to go to radio, I'm going to hit home. The radio is on the left side. And if you want to search, you go to search there. So hopefully you've got some better connection in your area, but it does have a radio that works well. Other than that, you hit the home and you've got D for drive, neutral, and reverse. Your reverse now, turns into your rear view camera. Neutral, drive, kilometers you're here, and then you've got your battery. It gives you your 90%, but I do want you to watch your voltage instead. This is a 60 volt system, so it's fully charged. It's to be about 72, 74. Once you get to like 55, it's time to charge. So there's your gauge. They've tried. I mean, it's like this screen on your phone. You can't see that in the sun either. It's the same thing with this. So Ecolo has put a screen kind of protector to help. You can see it, but you can obviously see a reflection a lot. But yeah, it's nice to have a nice touch screen. There you go.